Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the Motorola Razr 40. Okay, so let me show you 5 the most useful tips and tricks for this device. So first of all, now we can start from the hidden options. That's 2 hidden options. And the right side we can find the volume buttons. And right now when you click on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take the series of the photos. It works the same for the volume up button. And this function is also set up to your shutter. Take a look. There we go. Okay, for some reason it just rotated, never mind. And yeah, that's 2 interesting and useful options. The another one will be in the settings. So when you open the settings and tap on this right upper corner, we can find this. No, it wasn't here. Well, let me show you. Okay, there's the gesture selfie. So yeah, it appears right here, and it as a default it's turned on. So right now when you turn on the selfie camera and show the palm of your hand, okay, it's not detected, but trust me that in most cases this function is working, but for some reason right now it's not working. Interesting, but yeah, it basically works like that you just show the palm of your hand and the selfie camera and the photo is taken with the 2 or 3 seconds delay. You can tell me in the comments if this function is working in your case, because in my case it's probably some kind of the bug and they will maybe fix it in the next updates. So we were right here in the settings. There's also another useful options that it's called the quick capture. So take a look. You can just twist your wrist twice like that, and your phone will basically open your camera. So take a look. You can also set up to open the rear or the selfie camera. You can decide. I'm gonna stay with the rear, and right now when you just get rid of the camera application, hold your phone like that and twist. As you can see, the camera application is open. We can also try if it works for the lock screen, but I guess it's only working when the phone is unlocked. Okay, it's even working for the lock screen, so that's definitely cool. So you don't have to input your code, the pin code pattern or face unlock. You can just twist your wrist and you will be in the camera application. So it's useful when you want to quickly record something or quickly take the photo of something. Okay, so the last 2 tips will be about in the more modes, and we can find very useful option. That's the dual capture, and you can take the photos and the videos. So that's the photo mode and the video mode. Let's open the video mode, for example, and here as you can see we can take the videos from the 2 cameras at the same time. You can also change the theme of this. You can split the screen, put it like that, or just stay with the picture in the picture. And the last option for this device, it will be definitely this full resolution camera lens. That's the 64 megapixel lens. So we have to go for the more modes, go to the ultra resolution, and right now when you take the photo, let's take a look for the preview and wait for the post-processing. As you can see, that's the photo taken with the 64 megapixel mode. We can actually find a lot of details, especially these pieces of the dust, and we can also zoom in very, very close. Thanks to this mode, we can also easily crop from the photos. And yeah, that's my 5 camera tips and tricks for the Motorola Razr 40. Hope you like it.